Hi everyone, my name is Erica and this is Erica's Home Refresh. Here you'll get tons of motivation for cleaning, home projects, and everything in between that makes your life at home cozy and manageable. The cat's eating. She's like, crunch, crunch. Hi everyone, my name is Erica and this is Erica's Home Refresh. Here you'll get tons of motivation for cleaning, home projects, and everything in between that makes your life at home cozy and manageable. Today we're going to make my favorite beef stew recipe, clean up a little, and also I really have to deep clean the oven. So hopefully this video inspires you to get started on your to-do list, and maybe if you have something to deep clean, we could do it together. Now let's refresh this house. Tonight we're making my favorite beef stew recipe. I grew up with my grandma always having beef stew as a staple in the fridge. This isn't her exact recipe, I don't have that one, but it tastes just like I remember hers to taste.
I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever. Forever.
As always, I'm going to do a quick little cleanup of the kitchen while the food is cooking. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to pick up the living room as well. When all of that is done, I should have a little time to hang out until the potatoes and carrots need to be added.
But there's something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die.
If you're getting value or entertainment from this video today, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn the notification bell to all so that you never miss a weekly video.
I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would.
Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile. It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be.
If you feel like you're having deja vu watching me clean up this room, so am I. I think that's what toddler mom life is all about, right? Clean up the same toys, prepare the same snacks, and give the same guidance over and over and over. Every stage is so fleeting, even when things seem repetitive, so I try to keep that in mind.
Taking me a while to get it. Had to live and cry to appreciate life, and what you give is worth it. When you're holding me, when you hold me so close, I want further in under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. You're not rising. You're not rising. And let me tell you what I found. Leaving everything behind, knowing there is more in life that I want. Now I wanna embrace life, you and I side by side, knowing there is more in life that I want. You make me feel good. I'm laying down it to compile it. Oh no, I see you only when you're ballin'. Oh no, I don't even care to dive. I'll see you in a while, 'cause this time I will choose you, yeah. Now choose. You know exactly how to look like this. Holding
I'm trying to stir everything together gently because I don't want the potatoes to break up.
knowing it's a risk, 'cause you're using it. You got all your secrets. I can seem to move this thing. You're pulling me out and I'm right back in the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway, waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this.
All right, time to clean this oven. Ugh, it's not pretty. I don't clean it very often because I never find it to be a priority, but it had gotten pretty bad. The oven cleaning cycle had been run 2 times before tonight, so I'm going to vacuum out the crumbs and then apply the DIY cleaning solution. I'll leave the recipe in the description box below.
'Cause I deserve more, but still I wanna choose you, yeah. No choose. You know exactly how to look like this. Holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this. Knowing it's a risk 'cause you're using it. You got all your secrets. I can seem to move this thing. You're pulling me out and I'm right back in. I'm on the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I'm on the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I'm on the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I've been trying.
I'm going to apply a thin layer of this cleaning solution all over and then set the timer for 10 minutes while it dissolves some of the grime in here. While I wait for the timer, I'm going to show you an extra way that you can get your oven really clean.
I just wanna go my own way. Gonna let the past burn down, 'cause honestly don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. I'm gonna leave it all behind. Find myself, I'm gonna start over new.
Have you ever taken the knobs off your stove? I'm sorry, it's so gross to look at. It's honestly making me sick to see, but it's so satisfying to see it clean.
Shouldn't be so complicated. If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna leave it all behind. Find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
I tried to wipe off most of the cleaning solution with a paper towel, and now I'm going back with a sponge and clean hot water to scrub off the rest.
I don't want to be dragged in a box. I just wanna go my own way. 'Cause I am on my way. I am on my way. I am on my way. Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible.
Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you try the recipe and let me know what you think. It'll be in the description box below. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Over the surface.